going on a trip today, a local trip. Last minute plans. I am so excited. I have wanted to see this super bloom that I've been watching in the news. Somebody in the news said, and he's worked for the state park for a long time. He said he's never seen a bloom like this in so many years. 17 years, that's what he said. So I see this as an opportunity to make for pictures, right? Lots and lots of pictures. I gotta make those pictures fun. So I'm gonna use the few minutes that I have to prepare for the trip. I'm gonna use that time to make a couple of photo props. So I'm going upstairs now to my workroom to create those photo props. I have most of the letters all picked out and placed on the board. Folsom, California, Lupine Super Bloom. I think that's a good phrase. I just need to put the year so that when we take pictures, we will have a marking of when these pictures were taken. The reason I show these tutorials is to show you how the home business I created, making and selling these boards, can help get additional income for the family. If you're looking for ideas on how to start a home-based business, you're at the right place, watching the perfect channel. Okay, so everything's been set on the board now. If you've never seen me put the letters on the board, watch some of my previous videos. I'll put the link below. Now it's time to spray paint these letters. Just a reminder again for safety. Anytime you use spray paint. Number 1, read the instructions and the warning labels. Number 2, work in a very well ventilated area anytime you use spray paint. And number 3, wear a mask. I'll do the reveal at Folsom Lake when we take pictures. But for now, I have to dry up the paint. The second one says, Beaks Bite 2021 Sea of Purple, Folsom Lake, California. And I'm using a 16 by 13 board. Again, I'll put the link below of previous tutorials to show how I set the letters. If you're interested in seeing how the boards look, watch on. I'll do the reveal at Folsom Lake. If you're interested on how our trip went, watch on. I'm gonna take lots of pictures. And these photo boards will tell the story of our Folsom Lake visit. Painting's all done. Now to dry it up. There's my friend driving up. It's all over the news. Sea of Purple, they call it. Lupine flowers are blooming at Folsom Lake. So last minute, my friend and I decided to go to Beaks Bite in Folsom Lake, California to see the super bloom of the lupine flowers. We're heading that way now. This is the beautiful Folsom Lake that lives in my heart. We've had a long period of drought at Folsom Lake and the water has dried up. I haven't been back to Folsom Lake in a long time. I can't imagine it without water. But God has caused a different kind of beauty to grow where there was once the water. This year, 2021, there's a super bloom of lupine flowers everywhere. I'm going back to see Folsom Lake, or should I say, the sea of purple flowers. That's what this super bloom is called. We spent a good portion of the morning driving around, but I'm proud to say that I did all the driving. Plus, I used the GPS. We're finally here after checking out a couple of other areas of the park. The drive there was easy, but we were looking for an area that didn't have very many people. Now for the reveal. From where I'm standing, I could see something that looks like a pond. It's a little bit of water left from what used to be Folsom Lake. If this lake was filled with water, I would be at the bottom of the lake. I'm taking a video of what's around me. Everything is beautiful, whether it be the spot where they have tons and tons of purple flowers. I can see why somebody called it Sea of Purple. I feel so tiny and so small here at the bottom of the lake. I hear birds chirping. Lying down on the flowers, I could hear bees buzzing. It was windy, and I had a hard time keeping my hat on. There were a few times the wind took my hat, and I had to run after it. It's a be-back place for sure. And be-backers, if you want to see these purple flowers, come to Folsom Lake right now. They won't be around for very long. Maybe just another week or two before they dry up. Google lupine flowers, Folsom Lake, California. Oh, and be sure to make and take some photo props with you. Nothing like these photo props telling your story to your friends, family, to Facebook, to Instagram, reaching as far to the future as, wow, who knows? If you like these videos, please click like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell so you'll be notified of future videos to come. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. God bless and see you soon.